I'm Chura, and at NADA 2020, I want to show dealers why they need to reverse everything they know about acquiring new customers. We've been conditioned to always think about advertising first, and then the website is just a means to an end. But that's completely backwards, and I can prove that it's wasting dealers' money. Think about it like this. Imagine you just bought a restaurant, but the dining room is falling apart. Would your first step to be immediately drop $20,000 on a marketing campaign, inviting people to come down for a meal? Of course not. That investment would actually have a negative impact on your business by turning away customers. Yet that's what dealers do every day with their websites and digital marketing. We've all been marketing backwards. To maximize ROI, we need to be thinking about DMA, destination, measurement, then advertising. You need to start with where you want shoppers to go, the destination, and how they'll be converted into positive experiences and sales. Then you focus on measurement, because otherwise you'll have no idea if and how the destination is working when you're acquiring new customers. And then finally, once the restaurant is in order, you can invite the guests. I'll break down how dealers can stretch their digital advertising dollars with, stay with me here, psychological techniques that drive consumer action with behavioral messaging. Dealers will walk out of this session with a new marketing framework and a specific game plan for how to allocate and maximize their budget. Thank you for your consideration.